So, like 2 minutes ago, Scotty just came over to me with the fucking factory key in the fucking factory lock cylinder in his hand. And show him what you've done.
Well, when you compare it to a new one.
A sharp key versus a fucked key?
Yeah, you can see how old that is.
That thing's more beat up than...
my ex-girlfriend's hole.
I was going to say the same thing. We date the same person?
Well, that wouldn't surprise me. So, that being said, the owner brought us the original keys, and I was legitimately worried. I'm like, I don't know if I can do this and get it out.
He got it.
Because you need the key to do it.
He got it. It's out. He walked over.
And there it is.
Showed
a little bit of tinkering and some playing and some...
Weebles wobble, but...
Yep, but they don't fall down. I know what we grew up on.
See.
And I knew I beat on it a little too much. No pun intended.
Oh, we're not talking... What are we... Wait, are we still talking about the lock cylinder? Oh, that's lovely.
So...
Something sounds nice outside. Sorry. Squirrel.
Pretty kitty. What, pussy?
Huh?
Where? Pussy? You're a pussy. Oops. So, there's the retaining ring.
Yeah.
That kind of holds everything and locks it into place inside the column, because you have to have that, but...
Good enough.
Yep, so we did it.
So you put the new one in, finally.
Yes.
Change
I mean, feel
switch.
that. Here, I'll hold this. Feel that.
Ooh, that's not even sloppy seconds.
That's like sloppy
43rd.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I got late. Yeah, so did 3/4 of the town before you got here.
Village bicycle. All right, so that means Scotty can do what he do with that. Scotty do what he do. Scotty do what he do. Scotty do what he do. Dang on do what he do. Is it in like a tall dog? It is in like a tall dog. Is it where it's supposed to be?
Yep.
Oh my god. Alright, now do the actual ignition switch down below for your next trick. So while you're doing that, I'm going to go up here and shoot and show that you numbered the wires.
Oh, you saw?
Oh! I just almost killed Scotty. Oh. Geez, is that Peter Griffin? Okay, I'm closing this story. What a mess.
Well, now that you locked me in my hole again, I need a Phillips screwdriver, wench.
1 second, I gotta talk about all the goodness here. Look, pretty numbers on the pretty wires. Woo! Sorry, I like it. It's pretty. It's organized. No one's gonna jack it up now. That thing needs a fuel pump outside because it's at the return. What do you want? What you want?
A Phillips screwdriver, mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not make me call Mom.
Oh yeah, my mom will come over and beat us.
Yes.
Or me.
Oh,
Okay.
we still got pie.
Yeah, we do have pie.
Mama made us pie.
No, she bought us pie.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do 3 screws and I'm gonna go have some pie.
All right.
But up bump.
I'll probably run next door because Barry just texted me.
Okay.
Go have a powwow with him, and then we go from there.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna get you a screwdriver though. Oh god.